Hello guys, welcome to Code Studio. In this session, we will discuss about how to create a data frame object to read data from different data sources. For example, if you have a data in CSV file or Excel file, then we have to use a different methods or functions with additional arguments to create a data frame. I mean, based on your data sources, Pandas has given a different methods to use and create a data frame. So in this session, we will cover following topics like creating a data frame from a CSV, Excel. Also, we'll see the creating of data frame from Python dictionary variables and list of tuples. So, guys, I have a data in following files. Okay, employee salary. Okay, so basically we have a CSV file and also we have a data in Excel. Okay, so let me open this file. Okay, similarly, I do have a data in Excel file. Now I have a similar data in Python dictionary variable and also in list of tuples. So we will see how to create a data frame to read the data from these different sources. So first, how to create a data frame to read the data from CSV. Okay, so first of all, we have to import our pandas library. Import pandas spd. Now, to create a data frame object and read a CSV, we have to use a method called read CSV. So I'm creating a data frame object pd.read CSV. In bracket, you have to give your file name. So here is my CSV file with extension. So object got created. We will see what is the value it has. Yes, now it could able to read the data file. Okay, now we'll see how to read the data from Excel. So as we have a Excel file here, employee underscore salary. So we'll see what method to use to create a data frame. Excel PD, we have a method called read Excel. Read Excel. In bracket, first argument would be you have to give your file name with extension. Okay, then after you have to give the sheet name. So basically sheet 1. Okay, so you can see what are the arguments to be passed by clicking shift tab. Sheet 1. So I just executed this. Now we will see whether the object is created or not. Yes, it got created and it is holding currently the Excel data. Now we will see how to create a data frame to read the Python dictionary variable. So I have a dictionary variable data. Okay, let me execute this to create a dictionary variable. We'll see. Yes, now this dictionary variable holding the data. Now we will create a data frame to read this data. For that we have a method called data frame. pd dot data frame. In bracket, you have to give the dictionary variable name. Okay, I just executed. Now let's see whether this object got created or not. This data frame object, yes, it's got created. Okay, now finally we'll see how to create a data frame to read the Python list of the tuples. So I have a data ready for that. Let me execute this variable. Let me check. Yes, it is now created. Now we'll create a data frame. df dot tuple pd dot the same method can be used. Now here we also have to create a column names, because in this data we did not mention the column names. Okay, so first argument is your data, then after the second argument would be your columns. So here is the syntax. Columns. Okay, so it got created. Now let us see whether this object got created or not. Yes, it got created. So guys, this is all about the different ways of creating a data frames if the data source is different. Okay guys, if you like to read more methods to read the data from different sources, then go to Google, type pandas IO tools, click on first link. You will see all the available the methods to create a data frame and read the data from different data sources. Okay, that's all for today's session. If you like our video, please click on like button and subscribe our channel.